Hey guys, today we're doing a little channel update. We recently purchased a 2021 F-250 7.3 liter Godzilla engine Super Duty, and it's the Lariat package that's all blacked out from the factory. It's got the trimmer package that is for four-wheel drive off-road, 35-inch tires from the factory. It's got front lockers, even though it can shift on the fly. Limited slip differential in the front. In the rear, it's got 430 gears, so it can really pull. Basically, they say that the trimmer package with the 430 gears is basically a 1 ton. And so far, we're really liking it. So we recently bought some off-grid property, and between this and the 4Runner, it's really going to help us get up to the property and bring everything that we need. No problems, as it is very mountainous. Very hard to get to, and we'll be showing some of that on a different channel. I think we're going to start just to show us doing off-grid, starting to build out the property if anybody wants to tag along. But we just wanted to introduce you to this. We'll be doing some upgrades on it, and just as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for being part of the community, and like, share, and definitely please subscribe. A lot of people watch the videos, they're not subscribed. It just helps us build the channel and encourage us to keep doing the videos. So thanks again.